Slide. Jamaican breakfast. No, sir. With tea. Go on, go on. Mommy, put on the seatbelt now.
Jesus Christ.
Stop calling the line here. But I can't hurry. Mommy, you jerk me dumpling them too much, you know.
Really?
Man, we can't take it nice. What may I eat, mommy? Salt mackerel?
You don't
No,
know.
tin mackerel?
That tastes like mackerel to you, Tess?
I don't know what.
Sardine. It's not if it tastes a sardine, you don't know again.
Sardine.
Okay.
Sardine.
S-A-R-O. Sar. It's not called so. It's called sar.
Baby Eva. All if she come to Jamaica and trade for life. He learned Papa before he learned English. And I find him bad. Little country girl. Baby Eva.
Samantha called me last night. Samantha jealous. Samantha walk. Just a bit there. Oh God. I'm going to save to watch one trip. I'm sure one partner for you. God, I want to buy everybody ticket. So all you have to do is saving, spending money.
You never warn me?
One car there come.
They not see me. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Oh yeah, go with the car, mommy. Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Tass. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an OG, you already know me. Welcome back. Mommy, stop going so now. So this is day 1 in Jamaica. Day 1.
No, day 2 in Jamaica.
Mommy, a day 1.
Your land is in
Mommy, let me do my intro. Interrupt me. Day 1, officially. Day 1. You know count the day when you land, mommy?
Yeah, Jamaica.
Half fighter flying.
Your land there.
We not start over now. This is officially day 1 in Jamaica. I'm gonna get my hair done today. I'm gonna do a maintenance vlog, getting my hair and nails done in Jamaica and tell you the prices compared to the US. It's always cheaper and better quality. And I'm doing 2 vlogs today. Day 1 in Jamaica and then a maintenance vlog, so stay tuned for that. My mother dropped me here. Say good morning.
Me drop you.
You drove me here.
Oh, you said drop.
Oh my God. Just say good morning, please. Say something now?
For what?
You can't just cooperate. Mommy! Oh! I want to show them my day 1 outfit. Can you hold this? Make sure you see me, you know. Here. Wait till I get out the car. I'm in a skirt, so don't let people see underneath my skirt.
When you wear short skirt and I say you come out of the car.
Yes, see me have a bag.
You have to close your legs and put both feet outside.
Oh my God, mommy, me never sit down good for a morning. You see me? Okay. Watch out, you did zoom in?
No.
Bye, people. So, let's get the day started. Bye. You're thirsty? No, I don't remember. I don't want to walk around here.
You know, come to draw this.
You want to make a video? Your turn, your turn. So my mother and my cousin are doing some crab for me. Chef. We're going to curry them. Watch the chef them. Curry crab, white rice, and pear, aka avocado, right? Is there anything the chefs want to say?
Get out of here.
The chef is hostile. I hope the food tastes good. They say when the Jamaican people don't know man as the food tastes good in a restaurant them. So they always say, if you go to a Jamaican restaurant and the girl that have no manners we are serving food or we cash you, food tastes good. People, these are the settings, the chefings. Pata bubble, watch the pepper, 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 watch the pepper. And then now we have the big bad white rice. Wait, camera fog up. Then we have the big bad white rice there, so. Then we have a big pot here. Look them on. Bubble pata bubble. Wow. Wow. Jody, me again 5 for me for my left, so you try cook every day. Watch the chef. Watch Shani.
A real chef, I don't know.
People, when they have a private chef, that comes to your house, your Airbnb, and cook, because she has to wear her uniform. This is no plating. She have to dress appropriately, and she come and she cook when we on our request, right? So this Airbnb, when you book it, you can also book the chef if you'd like that service. It's an additional cost. What is your salt? No, sir. This is chef I don't know if we use next food. What is chef? Yeah. So.
You can't go now.
Right. So I'll put her link in the description to reach out.
Boy. You can go now?
To reach out, and you can book her private catering like I said, and the food is 10 out of 10 recommend. I would not tell you a lie. Okay?
Baby, plate.
Look at mine. I'm coming. An avocado, pear. My cousin Keeks. Oh, Kiki, you only have crab. You don't want any rice? Oh, you need a Jody, bring one plate for the bone.
Please.
Please. Chill this down, you know. Wow. Bring one plate for you. Oh. We use that.
guys, it's another great ending to another great day here in Jamaica. Well, it's officially day 1, but I landed since yesterday. But officially my first full day, and I'm tired. As you can see, we had curry crab, evidence, my fingernail full of curry. You know, I said I was gonna whiten my teeth before I came because I bought these Gurunanda whitening strips off Amazon like some time ago, and I found them in the bathroom drawer. So I said, let me whiten my teeth before my trip. And then something said to me, said no, because you got eat a lot of curry when you reach Jamaica. So if anything, whiten them when you come back, because I want to test the strips and see how effective they are, blah blah blah, because I've seen great reviews. It's a good thing. Waste of time. But yeah, I had curry crab. We had coconuts today as well, like fresh coconut. Eat the jelly, everything. Coconut water tastes so good. We have some more. I didn't get to film that because that was just so spontaneous, so we just stopped and got it. I have some more coconuts in the trunk of the car, so we'll take those out tomorrow and I guess eat during the week or whatever, you know. Nice fresh coconut, wash off your heart. Most of today was spent with me getting my hair done, but like I said earlier in the video and the previous video, I will do a maintenance video specifically for that. Tomorrow I'm getting my nails done, and then that should be it for me. I already got my eyebrows threaded when I was in New Jersey. What else? And then we can actually start some activities. I wish my husband was into like filming, but he's not. God bless one, and seeing come on camera and say hello, that's the most y'all will get. That is it. He's not that type of person. Very quiet, shy, hi, bye, that's it. Because if he was into filming like that, you guys would get day 1 in Jamaica from 2 different perspectives, my perspective and his, because I don't just want the videos to be just about my perspective. I definitely want it from his perspective, because this is literally his first time in Jamaica ever. I mean, I'm Jamaican. I'm just coming back home since migrating. Because I heard when I was at the hairdresser for like most of the day, he was with my mom. I heard he had what, patty, jerk chicken. Them did up and down. I think he drove the car for a little bit, and we drive on the opposite side of the road here, so I wanted to catch it on camera, but eventually I will. So if he was into filming, he would catch all of that for you guys, but he's not, so hush. So you guys are stuck with me until we do activities together, I guess. But that's really it. How long may I talk? But all right, enough. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll continue with my maintenance vlog, which again is a different video from this, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna end this vlog. Good night. Bye guys. More videos coming soon.